How to pay T-Mobile bill with Klarna. To pay your T-Mobile bill with Klarna, you can use Klarna's virtual card to split your payment. At checkout, select Klarna as your payment option. Enter your billing details and confirm your information to proceed. Klarna will generate a single-use virtual card for you to complete the payment. Use the virtual card at the T-Mobile checkout to make your payment. Once your payment is processed, you can manage your payment plan through the Klarna app. Klarna offers multiple payment options, so you can choose one that works best for you. You can opt to pay in full, settling the entire balance at once. Alternatively, you can choose the pay in 4 option, which splits your payment into 4 interest-free installments. Klarna also offers the option to pay in 30 days, giving you a month to settle the amount. If you prefer long-term payments, you can select Klarna's Pay Over Time plan to spread your payments further. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.